Cabinet has given approval for the commercial licensing and operation of helicopters in Guyana. According to Cabinet Secretary Dr. Roger Luncheon, licenses of this nature were previously granted but only on a temporary basis. He notes that there are a number of mandatory requirements to acquiring the license for the licensee as well as the vessel.
This decision of the 5th of June for commercial licensing imposed mandatory additional technical support for the identification of the vessel in flight, and that would be imposed on the licensee in addition to all other requirements for licensing.
Dr. Luncheon has also indicated that Cabinet at its June 5 sitting approved a showing of the Indian science exhibition currently on in neighboring Trinidad, the exhibition of the scientific achievements of India.
Cabinet approved the exhibition being extended to Guyana, arriving from Trinidad in July and expected to remain an exhibition to run here for minimally a month until August.